Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Tata Play ID and the set-top box number. This prevents accidental changes to the wrong account. Once done, check the SDB is online and the remote batteries are fresh so menus load without delay. Make sure you note the existing pack and channel list. You'll need that as a fallback. Now navigate to the home menu, use the guide or My Account shortcut to start the channel removal and addition process. Now you're inside the Manage Channels area where the heavy lifting happens. First, search by channel name or number to find targets quickly. You can add a channel by selecting it and choosing Subscribe or Remove by toggling off. Pay attention to pack rules. Some channels are locked inside bundles and can only be swapped by changing the pack. Once selections are made, the interface shows price changes and effective date. Confirm to apply and wait for on-screen acknowledgement. Finish by applying the changes and allowing the system a few minutes to provision them. You may need to reboot the set-top box to force an update. If channels don't appear, make sure any additional charges were paid. Pending dues can block activation. As a troubleshooting tip, note the SDB ID and session time. If problems persist, contact Tata Play support with those details so they can push provisioning or investigate network issues. Make sure to verify the final channel lineup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.